Meet Samantha. She's looking to enter into a new industry. She hasn't earned a degree or certificate in the field she wants to work in. She doesn't have the time or money to enroll in a 4-year university and prefers to earn while she learns. Enter UCR University Extension's Apprenticeship Program. Receive paid, on-the-job training in one of 4 apprenticeship concentrations while you complete your coursework. Meet with an Apprenticeship Career Services Advisor to learn about the current apprenticeship certificate programs offered. Understand your strengths after completing the Strong Interest Inventory. Work with an Apprenticeship Career Services Advisor to get help with your resume, interview skills, and more. Apprenticeships lead to a full-time career upon successful completion. Score, this was just what Sam needed. She successfully completed an apprenticeship after getting hired by a local employer in the field that she wanted to work in and earned a certificate of completion from UCR University Extension. You too can be like Sam and apply for an apprenticeship. Visit our apprenticeship page or email apprenticeship@ucx.ucr.edu.